Changing your primary bank on CircleCI is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your billing information effectively. Follow these steps to update your primary bank details. Step 1. Log into CircleCI. Access your CircleCI account by visiting the CircleCI website and entering your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Go to Billing section. In the Account Settings menu, locate and click on the Billing tab. This section contains all your payment and banking information. Step 4. Update bank information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new bank information, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and update your primary bank on CircleCI. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary bank on CircleCI. Make sure to double-check your new information for accuracy to avoid any billing issues in the future.